Hi, I'm Lisa Facera.
And I'm Joe Facera.
We own West Coast Shutters.
Today we're going to show you how to replace a louver and a shutter. You got to go to the back of the window and we will replace, and this is our bad louver. So, Surrender, go to 10. What he's doing, he's going to pull the rod off first. He'll take the pin out. On any wide shutter gets a double rod, a single shutter gets a single rod. We'll take that off. We'll take that off. You can zoom in, and here's what he's going to do.
I'm going to do it,
Yeah, that way.
not with the drill, right?
Yeah, no. This is our new shutter, so you can pull the louver out by just taking the pin off. He's going to take the old louver. He's going to throw it away. On this you need 2 pins. He's looking for his hole. Put the new nails back in. That's how you replace the louver on the new shutters. If you have a shutter that's like 8 years old, there's a different way of replacing it, and we're going to show you. This isn't the old shutter, but we're going to show you how to do it. Same thing, open up. Take the bad louver out. It gets tough when you just put the nails back in again. Not attention there, so you're on attention. A lot of people prefer to do it this way because they get scared to pop them in the way we showed you first. So now with this one, what we're going to do is we have to drill 1 hole. We got a 1/4 inch drill bit, and he's going to be drilling in a 1/4 inch deeper on his spleen. He can pick either side he wants. Yeah, that's the new plunger. He'll put it in, and it's like a toilet paper roller. And he's going to push in and then line up the hole of the louver and pop it right back in. A lot of people prefer this way. So he'll put the one end in first, line it up,
Squeeze the plunger.
squeeze the plunger, and it pops in, and see it goes round and round. That's the easiest way to replace the shutter. Now, one more thing. If you're replacing something and you see this hole, there's usually 2 or 3 of them. This is a tension hole. If there's one here, there's one on the opposite end of the shutter. You take a Phillips screwdriver and you screw it in, and it makes these get so tight or so lazy. So if you have to replace this, you have to take it out. We won't take it out, but we're going to show you the 2 things that are in there. So you got a 2.5 inch screw. The flange bushing goes in. That keeps tension to work it back and forth so they don't get locked up. And that's it. That's how you do that. So they're the 2 most frequent questions. One more, how do I take my window down? We're going to walk over to here. If you look at a shutter over here and it's caulked in, the first thing you have to do is take a razor knife and just cut the bead of caulking all the way around. Now that you did that, the rule of a shutter, you open it up, you close your louvers before you open it up. Why? Most of the problem ever comes with a cleaning lady or a person. They'll open it up, and as they come around, they bust the louvers right out. So you pull it out of its house, close it. Open up the 2 panels, and as you look, these will be caulked in. Take a drill, and as you're drilling, the caulk will come out and take 1, 2, 3, 4, and your shutter's out of the window. That's it.